Jackie? Jackie? The fuck? Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Jackie! Ah, fuck! Jackie! Motherfucker!
Hello, Mr. Shen. Or should I say, Officer Shen. My name is Mr. Tong. Perhaps you heard of me?
Fuck you! I'm no cop!
Your friend Jackie didn't think so. He was most loyal. But then, I expect you wouldn't have told him anything.
Son of a bitch, I'll kill you!
Oh, save your energy, Mr. Shen. You'll need it. The last cup I had in this chair lasted almost 48 hours. Would you like to try for a new record? There were rumors. Before I'm done with you, you will confirm them. And then you will die. Zhang will be disgraced, and Big Smile Lee will be elected head of the Song On Yi. Call me when he comes around. There's no rush.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, fuck! I got the database. I'm gonna check on our boy.
You didn't read shit, yeah? Big Smile, face the bullet. He will be paid to himself.
No, boss. Yeah, that's just something they're saying so we can kill her. I don't give a fuck if he stops us making money.
Yeah.
You want to get something to eat?
Guys, get out! Gotta call Tom!
我等我哋好耐㗎啦。攞頭嘅，攞住安手。唔出你行，喺度做咩你啊？我一打柒你啊！冇子彈啊！
Where is he？冚家鏟你老味，打住你啊！
埋佢單啊！見血唔好停啊！
What did you just say? Oh, really? I spent all my time making money for you, and that damn right. And that's how you talk to me? What the hell you looking? Oh, crap!
Shit!
Go down!
Wow! 發生咩事？
睇住你啊！
Hey, back up there! Everything under control? 你未夠？It's over here! 我今日一定會打爆你啊！你老味，同我打大力啲啊！
我驚啊！
埋佢單啦！做錯！今次俾你上位啊！打爆佢！I knew you're there.
都嚟啦
Time to ambush that fucker.
我哋一齊打佢！
佢㗎！射埋佢嘴啊！見到佢啊！死佢老母閪啊！你唔係諗住你搞得掂嘛？有人開槍啦！Over here！冇運行啊！
lập tức佢乜仆街啦！你真係撚爆佢哋啊！我係你而家即刻走啊！睇入車啊！
I suppose I should be impressed. You defeating my men like that. I am not. Now, where were we?
I see you've cut your way through the amateurs. So now amateur hour is over. Now you die. Your determination is impressive. Fuck you. You'll never win. Get me? You'll never win, Wei. Fuck you. You can't win. Kill me, and we will simply wipe you out.
I'm sorry, Jackie. Fuck. Lee. Fuck the election. You did this, Lee. And I'm coming for you. Motherfucker.
I'm warning you here and now. Making anyone other than me the chairman will be disastrous for Sanguanyi.
You are an officer of the law, Wei, same as me.
Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
I like the way you think. That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion used to be more common.
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them. Wait, you cross Pendrew. He's cut you off.
Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. This guy fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Tossed me off to 18K, man.
You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Oh, God. I'm sorry, please. No, no, no!
You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
You're my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know?
Your friend Jackie didn't think so. He was most loyal.
I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
Might be time for me to make a change. Maybe go into business with Jill May.
You can't win. Kill me, and Lee will simply wipe you out.
All right, who's first?
Who are you? Oh shit, that's right. I'm scared of you. They move on,
Game over!
Done!
Wrong side, asshole!
$10,000 to whoever killed this fuck.
Mr. Hong San, huh? Don't be stupid!
I'm gonna kill you. Anyone who stands with Big Smile Lee. Should've quit while you had the chance. I'm gonna kill you.
Surprise! Shit!
Time to die, Lee.
Fuck you!
Yo, fuck, Wei! 燒你老母！
You pussy! You're done! Piece of fucking shit. Fuck! How does it feel, pig? To know that your boss sold you out? And you fucked your way almost as bad as you fucked Jackie. You were supposed to die with Winston. Dog Eyes blew that. And that poke guy Tong, fucking worthless 撚樣. But that's okay. Because I am gonna enjoy killing you myself.
Fuck you.
開拖啊！你死梗啊！
You want more? Is that all you got? Come on! How'd that feel? Raymond.
Hey, easy there, Wei. This man is in my custody.
Yes, sir.
You okay?
Yeah. Where's Pendrew?
He's up for promotion. Interpol. He's done with us.
He's dirty, Raymond. He outed me to Big Smile Lee.
Take it from me, Wei. Whatever you heard, it won't matter. The only voice they hear is Pendrew's. You did what you came here to do, all right? Let's get you cleaned up.
Jay? What the fuck? Uncle Po? Pendrew? What the hell?
Superintendent Pendrew, I'm surprised to see you. You're the one who chased my boys away?
Poe, you know why I'm here.
I can imagine all sorts of reasons. I'm sure you will tell me.
I'm moving on to greener pastures, but not without taking care of some unfinished business with you and Sonny first.
We had a deal, did we not, Pendrew? I gave you the 3 Tigers. It made your career.
And I let you and Sonny continue operating.
A sacrifice you were willing to make.
At the time. I'm putting Sonny away, and with you gone, I'll finish this once and for all.
The only difference between you and me is... I know what I am.
Jesus Christ. Pendrew, I've got you, you son of a bitch.
What would you like me to say? Whatever I did, I made Hong Kong a better place. I served the greater good. But you let them get to you. You abandoned your duty, officer, and became one of them. You deserve to be handed over to Big Smile Lee.
Did I? Well, Pendrew, I guess everyone gets what he deserves. Including you. You ready for life in prison?
What?
Because all your old buddies are gonna be waiting for you. I made sure they found out what you did to Uncle Po.
That's a fucking death sentence.
I know.
Where you can't. I won't last a day in there.
That's the plan. Inspector,
Officer?
I just wanted to say thanks.
For what? It's me who should
For
be...
helping me close cases. Do something I could feel good about. Hell, for helping me stay sane.
My pleasure. So, what are you gonna do now?
I don't know. Job's over, but I don't really have anywhere else to go. Strange to say it after all that's happened, but Hong Kong kind of feels like home.
Yeah. But which Hong Kong, officer?
And what about Wei Shen?
He proved himself to be loyal to me, one way or the other. And isn't that what really matters? Leave him be.
Yes, Aunt Jane. Drive.